Hey, hi, how are you all doing? So, my question to all my fellow businessmen, are you very sure if you are driving your business or your business is driving you? That is an interesting question. Then, how do you get to know that you are actually the driver of your business and you are driving and managing the shows? Or even if you have put your business into autopilot mode, is your business is actually in autopilot mode or you are yourself in an autopilot mode? I'll tell you this in a short while. Thank you. Majority of the business owners, they have engrossed themselves into the day-to-day activities and those business challenges, and they prefer to deal with those challenges by themselves. And that is what they say, their business is running in an autopilot mode. Yes, they are very much aware how to dodge those obstacles, how to overcome those problems, and how to deal with those circumstances or situation or with the people who happens to be the hindrance in the business. They have their own art and knack of managing the problems. But my friends, is this system is growing your business multifold? Are you able to drive your company growth towards the north? You need to ask this question to yourself. You need to check if any of the person in your team or in your company leaves the organization or goes on an emergency leave, your complete process is still running and you are maintaining the same pace of business, or absence of any person or expertise hinders your business. If it is hindering, then you need to think about it. It is not an autopilot mode of business. One thing. Second thing, if you talk about the market, in your market strategy, if you are only the kind of existing company or you are a fast growing organization, if your business graph has become a constant horizontal linear line, then you need to give it a thought. Means your business is not growing and very soon you might meet a very dreadful results in the business. Third, the kind of market you've been operating, definitely you have to contend with the competitors. You need to find out what are the percentage ratio of the cases or the prospects that you have been losing out to your competitors. If out of 5 you are losing 3 or 2 cases to your competitors, then you need to seriously look into your competitive analysis and the competitive advantage that you have worked for your product. Fourth, when it comes to the vendor and the product, you need to very well define your product positioning in the product adoption curve. If your vendor or your product has a market today, or a market is towards the decline, it is going down, or your vendor is not very innovative, creative, or transformative, if they are not transforming their business to the next level, or they are not making an option which can go as per the trend, or they are not bringing any solution or the product which should be considered as a futuristic product or the solution, it is a time you need to think about the product and the vendor also. So instead of the fact what we want, we should first look into the system and we should face the bad and the worst challenges of our business. If we are able to sort out our major challenges in the business, obviously we'll be ensuring the growth for ourselves and for our team. If you are an organization wherein you claim you have a people, process and system and technology in place and the business is running in an autopilot mode, then this is the time when you should broaden the vision of the company. You should open up a bigger market and a bigger business for your people. You should generate more and more employment for the people. And this is the time when you should start contributing to the society, to the people, so that we can generate more and more employment, the job opportunities for many people. I am with you all in this journey. If you have any queries in specific, you can always write to me. I shall be assisting you with that. We can get into any sort of online discussion or conversation or webinar or webcast. If you want me to broadcast, then please do mention that. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will keep on getting the notification of my all new videos. Thank you. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for being on the platform of UTBR. unravel the business riddle. This platform is basically for the business owners, wherein we talk about your major issues, your team, your business, and ultimately the most interesting part of the business. What is that? Revenue. Thank you. Have a great day.